Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the class of English. In the last class we had discussed about the poem The Kite. In the poem we came across certain words which were action words. What are action words? Action words are those which shows some action that is performed. It is also called a doing word. So, those are termed as verbs. So, we define verbs today as a verb is a doing word. A verb can express. Express means to show. What does it express? It expresses a physical action. Physical action means one which is done with the help of our body, maybe our hands or legs. To swim, to write, to climb are some of the examples of physical action. Next, a mental action. What is a mental action? The action where we use our brain to think, to guess, to consider. So, these are also verbs. A state of being. What is a state of being? For example, to be, to exist or to appear. कुछ दिखाते हैं हम. We show that is something or there is something which exists. So, to be form are also called verbs. We'll understand it more with the help of some examples. Let us see some examples given here. Anthony is throwing the football. So here throwing is a physical action which shows that it is a verb. She accepted the job offer. So here accepted is the verb. He thought about his stupid mistake in the test. So here thought is again an action, a mental action. So it is a verb. Now I'll read some more sentences. Now you have to think which is the verb. John visited his friend for a while and then went home. The dog ran across the yard. She left in a hurry. She yelled when she hit her toe. The cat sat by the window. I'll play this song on my guitar. He hit a home run at the last game. You might have thought about the verbs. Let's go back again to the sentences. Here, visited is the verb. I think you might have guessed it right and you might have thought of the verb as you read the sentence. Ran, left, yelled, hit, sat, play and hit are all verbs. Now, here are some more sentences. I'll read it for you. Again, you have to think about the verb that comes in these sentences. Verbs are very important because whatever sentences we speak, out of them 80% have verbs. In the summer, we will swim in our pool. Will you help me with the laundry? He rode his new bike around the block for hours. The horse trotted along the trail. We ate dinner, then walked around the park. Now, in the previous sentence, you have got a new word that is trotted and trail. Now, see students, this is an action word and it shows an action that the horse trotted. Trotted means to move. It is an action that shows the movement. So, if you come across certain words which are new for you, please try to find the meaning of it. Just don't copy down the sentences. Did you fix the mistake in your homework? So here, fix is the verb. She waited for her friend at the mall. She lay on the couch and slept there all night. Now, couch is a small place. You can say a sofa set, like a sofa set. So, that is a small place where you sit or where you lie down. Most probably couch is always used for sitting only, but there are many people who even sleep on it just to take rest for a while. The birds sing a cheery song every morning. Close the door. The teacher reads a book to her students. Then asks them question about the story. The roof on the house leaks. The lightning struck the tree. They bought a new house. Now, in the last sentences that I read, you might have thought about the verbs. Now, let me give you one more idea that the words that are written in bold letters are verbs. Okay, dear students, now after explaining you the verbs, I would like you to write a list of verbs starting from alphabets A to Z. You can take help from the dictionary and some examples I have given below. So, you have to write words excluding these words. So, these are already there. I have given you some examples, but you have to try to get even more words starting from A. I have given here 4 examples: act, agree, arrive, ask. So, these are action words that starts from A. Likewise, achieve. I have given one more example to you. So, like that you have to find. If you skip any one letter, actually I had given this assignment 2 days back, but some of the students had confusion. So, I have given this assignment again. So, if you have already completed, no need to write it again, and if not, just complete this work. Your second task is you have to make 10 sentences using verbs and underline the verbs. Now, here you don't have to use all these verbs that are given from A to Z. Just pick 10 verbs from this list, and from those 10 verbs make 10 sentences. So, this is all for today. Hope you have a good day. In the next class, we will be continuing with other types of verbs. Have a nice day. Thank you.